This is the batter for the pua. In this I have added wheat flour, aata. I'm making pua out of aata, not with maida. And 2 mashed bananas, kela, and little bit crushed dry fruits like almond, cashew nut, and raisin, badam gari, kaju or kishmish. And I have mixed it with milk. Then I have grind all the ingredient together with jaggery, good, and little bit of sugar, like 2 spoons. Now I have on the flame and he going to heat the kadai. Let the kadai heat. Need to mix the batter properly. Okay, so the pua will be smooth. The batter consistency should be like this, not much lighter, not much thicker. So I'm taking little bit of this and this pua, you can eat without any occasion if you want, if you need.